Let's take a look at the first example. I'm going to convert radical to the exponential form, okay? I'm going to have 9 to power 1/5 inside of the parentheses raised to the 5th power. Plus, also, second radical I'm going to convert to the exponential form. I'm going to have 9. Remember, exponent, which is next to 9, will be my numerator, and index is going to be my denominator. Okay, so I have exponent inside of the parentheses and I have exponent outside of the parentheses. Because I have fraction inside of the parentheses, I'm going to also make fraction outside of the parentheses. Remember, anytime we multiply fractions, we have to multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by the denominator. Okay, so I'm going to have 9 to 5 over 5 plus 9. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 5 divided by 5 is 1. Okay, so in other words, I have 9 plus 9 is equal 18. This is the solution to my problem. Let's take a look at this example. Okay, what I'm going to do first, I'm going to convert my radical to the exponential form. I'm going to have 11 to power 1/2. And everything is raised to the 2nd power. Plus 3, again, I'm going to convert this to the exponential form. I'm going to have 4 over 4. Remember, this 4 is going to be my numerator, index is going to be my denominator. Now, I'm going to multiply 1/2 times 2 gives me 1. That's why I have 11. Because 11 to the 1st power is just 11, plus 3, 4 divided by 4 is 1, so 3 to the 1st power is just 3. 11 plus 3 is 14. This is the solution to my second problem. Let's take a look at the third example. We have square root of 49 is 7 plus 4th root of 16 is 2 over square root of 81 is 9 plus 4th root of 81 is 3 equals 7 plus 2 is equal 9 over 9 plus 3 gives me 12. I can reduce this fraction by 3. 9 divided by 3 is 3. 12 divided by 3 is 4. This is the solution to my problem. Let's take a look at this example. I have square root of 100 is equal 10 minus cube root of negative 125 is negative 5 over square root of 16 is 4 minus square root of 9 is 3. Negative times negative gives me positive. I have 10 plus 5 over 4 minus 3 is 1. 10 plus 5 is 15 over 1. 15 divided by 1, this is 15. This is the solution to my problem.